All right, welcome back. So I am back on I-95, and this route planner is doing some funny stuff. It's recommended that I go back to the center of Electrify America I just went to, so I'm going to cancel it and try it again. It might stop me at Electrify America in Greensboro, or I don't know where this Wawa is, but it's recommended that I stop at a Wawa somewhere. Where's this? In Richmond? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not stopping. You know what? I know what to do.
The route guidance.
You know, I'll let it be.
In 1.7 miles.
No, I'm not stopping.
On the right to
All right, welcome back. I was having an issue. I don't know what's wrong with the navigation route planner, but somehow we recalculated that I need to charge again at Electrify America in Richmond, and I was just about to leave, and I already charged to 89%. So right now I currently have 85. I've been dealing with that before I record this. So, but I currently have 85% state of charge, and yeah, that's not good. Whatever they put on there is gonna fall off. Um, 226 miles estimated range. I've been doing an average of 3.2 miles per kilowatt hour, and my next stop will be 89 miles from here, which is the I thought it was like 110 miles. I guess maybe something changed. Anyway, my next stop would be Electrify America at Henderson. If I have enough range, I might just push it all the way to what they call it, to Hillsboro, and charge from there. But if not, or I'll charge at Henderson and then also charge at the one in Greensboro. I've never stopped there, and I think I will do that just to check the place, try the place out. I believe they have about 8 to 10 stalls over there. So but yeah, car is doing great, driving efficiently. So no complaint. I'm well rested. I had enough sleep. When I get home, I brush my teeth. So when I get home, I just take a shower, relax, play with the kids, and call it a day, and get ready for the week. So but yeah, it's been a long road trip, but what I went to do, it worth it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, my road trip videos, and EVSC installation videos, unboxing, accessories for my 2022 Kia EV6, and check out the video as well. Hit the likes and thumbs up if you like the video. So please like it. If you enjoy the video, please like it. So and I'll be back with a 75% update. All right, welcome back. Sorry, I forgot to get all the update, the 75% and 50% update. I was busy doing some stuff, trying to post some content on my social media, and I just got carried away. So right now it is raining. I just entered North Carolina, and I'm still on I-85 South. Currently have 45% state of charge and estimated range of 105 miles. I've been doing an average of 2.9 miles, and the car's been doing a highway driving assistant. So and I have about 18.6 miles to arrive at Electrify America in in Hillsborough. So right now the battery preconditioning is on, so that will help with the charging process. So I kind of enjoyed this. I like the fact that it works well for me, because I've never used it. I tried to use it, but it didn't work. So, but this time it works now. So Kia just need to do more with their software so that they can it can work better, because I was having an issue with the route planner trying to reroute me back to the same charging station or somewhere nearby, telling me that I will have enough range when I know I will charge at the next charging station. So all right, that's just I just need to update for. I will see you. Okay, before I do that, so right now I have it says I will arrive with 30% and I'll charge up to 25 minutes, and the next one will be at Hillsborough. I'll arrive there with 65% and charge for 15 minutes. So, but I want to stop at, I might skip the Hillsborough and stop by the one in Greensboro. So I will be back with another update.
Left, and then the EV charging station is to your left. There's an EV charging station ahead. Turn left and then turn right.
All right, welcome back. So I have arrived at Electrify America in Henderson, North Carolina. So right now I arrived with 35% state of charge and estimated range of 75 miles, and I've been doing an average of 2.9 miles per kilowatt hour. So the next stop is saying Hillsborough, but I will try and skip Hillsborough and go straight down to Shit's gas station at Hillsborough, but I will try and skip that and go all the way down to Greensboro. So right now there's one of the actually 3 charges are available, and I think one of them is even done. The guy is just, somebody, let's see here, the Kona, not Kona, the Nero, I believe the person's finished charging. So let me go ahead and turn the car off. So, but guess what? I'm gonna use the complimentary charging. Yeah, I saw it yesterday, so I'm gonna use that today. You see? we'll go ahead and use the complimentary charging. There is a bolt. There's a bolt over there, and corner. What am I saying? Corner Nero. The E-Nero. Let's see. The E-Nero finished charging. The bolt is still charging. All right. Let's see if it's gonna work. It should. Is it not working? No. No, it is not working. All right, so let me go ahead and unplug. All right, let's try it again. Let's see if it's gonna work. No. All right, so let me go ahead and move to the other side. I'll be right back. All right, guess that's just a gimmick. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Oh, all right. I want to drop and break this. So let's go ahead and this is number 2. It's available, but that's no. All right, so let's go ahead. Whoops, I'm about to hit each other. All right, let's go ahead and start this. Plug it in. Come on, plug in. Good. And start this. And this should be starting shortly. Yeah, connected to the vehicle, and let's see how long it's gonna take. Okay, it's about to start, and let's go to the car. I should be notified that charging started. Yep, already started charging, and this will take me 24 minutes to 90%, and charging speed is going up. The guy with the Nero just finished, and he's about to leave. And the top speed right now is at 100. And keep going. I need 200s. Come on, go up to no, that's where it's gonna stop at. 193 kilowatt. That's where it's gonna stop. So 194 kilowatts. So I'll be right back. I'm trying to post some videos, so if anything changed, I'll come back with an update. All right, welcome back. So right now I am charging at 5 kilowatt. I've reached 80%, and I've been here. I've been charging for 16 minutes now. So I have 7 minutes left to charge to 80 to 90%. So yeah, once I'm done, I will be on my way, and I will try. Let me see here. Let me look at the for America in Greensboro. Let me see how long that is going to be. All right, there's no Nick Carey. Now this is Hillsboro. Hillsboro is what, 40 miles away from here. Hillsboro is 40 miles away from here. Let's see. Yep, it is 40 miles away. Let's see here. Let's go back. And there's the one in Greensboro, and that is 79 miles from here. So what I can do is update that, and I will stop at the one in in Greensboro, and that one has 8 stalls, and these are all, let's see, they have 2 350 kilowatt. Is it 2? Oh, 1. Okay, they have 2. 1 is in use right now, and the rest of the 6 are 150 kilowatt, and one with the Chatham 50 kilowatt. So what I'm going to do is try and see if I can skip and go to let's see here. Let me try reroute. I'm just gonna blur the other one out. I'll go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and reroute and see if
The route guidance will start now. In 400 feet, turn left and then turn right.
no, I'm trying to reroute.
The route guidance will start now.
All right, let's see.
400 feet, turn left and then turn right.
Let's see if I can add a route option. Okay, and that's what I'm trying to do. Add a stop, and I'm going to remove this. Search electrify America. Let me see where the one in Henderson, Greensboro is located. West Elmsley Street. So electrify America. Greensboro. Okay, so I found it and I added that to it. No charging information. I need that to work. Change order. Let me delete this. Okay, it is deleted. And let's see here. Right, let's see, show map, go back and route. All right, so it recalculated everything. So right now, let me see. So I recalculated that I will arrive. Let me see here. I believe that's what it is, Greensboro. So it recalculated it, and route option. Let me see. Let me go back. Let me see if I can remove this. No. No. All right. So it still arrived me the same distance, so I will arrive the other 5 American Greensboro with 33%, and I will charge from 33% to 90%, and going home will take I will arrive with 50% when I get home. So and it's telling me that one 350 kilowatt is available and 650 kilowatt is available. So we will see how the rest will work. I'll probably use 150 kilowatt because it looks like I get more charging speed. Is it? Maybe not. Well, I mean a constant charging speed. All right, I will be back with a final update with the charging session. Right now I have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, and I will be on my way. All right, so I've completed charging, and let me go ahead and plug it in. So I was able to put in 45.6 kilowatt hour, 24-minute charging, and charging time, and it's time for me to go on to. Oh, let me put it back before I forget. I always forget. And on to Greensboro. Here we go. All right. Here it comes, Greensboro. Here we come. Oh, here I come. All right, let's start a guide.
The route guidance will start now.
Let me see. I think I get off this side. Oh man. All right, it's been a great charging session. Got some rest. Not really. I was uploading video on YouTube, so YouTube Shorts. So, and
turn right onto North Cooper Drive.
all right, I am about to get back on the road. I wanted to stop to get anything to eat because I already got my food to eat. I had some BK.
In a half-mile, turn left onto Ruin Creek Road.
I'll be back with 75% off Identify. Hopefully I don't forget, and 50% as well before I arrive the charging station with 33% according to the Kia navigation route planner.
In a
So
quarter
see
mile,
you at
turn
the
left
next
at the
stop.
second road.